Feeling the heat inside your Corolla? Let's figure out why your AC is on strike. If your Toyota Corolla's air conditioner isn't working, don't sweat it. There are a few common reasons this could be happening. First, check your levels. Low refrigerant is a classic culprit. It's like the lifeblood of your AC system. If it's low, you'll need a recharge. Next, take a look at your AC. This little guy is responsible for circulating the refrigerant. If it's not working, neither is your AC. Another possibility is a blower relay. These small components can cause big headaches if they fail. A quick check in your fuse box could solve the problem. Also, don't forget if it's dirty or clogged, it can restrict airflow and make your AC seem less effective. Finally, your AC system might have leaks can occur in various parts of the system, leading to low refrigerant levels and poor performance. In most cases, a trip to a certified mechanic can help diagnose and fix these issues. Regular maintenance can also prevent these problems from happening in the first place. So next time your Corolla's AC is acting up, you'll know what to look for. Stay cool and drive safe.